Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change currency on Amazon app. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So in this case, you might be wondering, how do you change your current currency on the Amazon app? Well, first thing is we need to check it on the app itself. So go ahead and open up your mobile device here and look for the Amazon Shopping app. In this case, open it up. Here, you will see many options at the bottom of your screen. Here, you will find your profile section. In this case, once you click on your profile section here, you should be able to see a flag at the top right of your screen, indicating current language and the current currency that you're using. In this case, once you click on that flag, you should be able to see this option here. So currently, you have the option to change your region, your language as well, the currency that you want to use for your account. In this case, you can go and click on currency here and choose the appropriate one here. For example, if you want to use Argentine peso, you can go and do that and just click on done to proceed with the changes. Now in this case, you go and choose whatever here, and in this case just make sure to save it, and from then on you should be good. So that's basically how you can change currency on Amazon app. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.